Cloning is a very important technique in molecular biology. It simply involves creating genetically identical cells, tissues, and even whole organisms using what is mainly described as recombinant DNA technology. Natural clones such as identical twins can be found in humans and other animals. So we know that these are things that can happen naturally. They have genomes or genetic material that are very identical. Not exactly same, but closely very identical. Also, certain plants and animals or single cell organisms such as yeast and bacteria produce offspring that are genetically identical by a process known as asexual reproduction. However, in the lab, as we mentioned earlier on, using recombinant DNA technology, different types of artificial cloning can be performed or can be obtained. In 1996, for example, Scottish scientists successfully cloned Dolly the sheep. I'm sure you've heard about Dolly the sheep, one of the most famous organisms that has ever been cloned. Dolly the sheep was actually cloned from a single cell obtained from another female sheep or ewe. Since then, many other organisms have been cloned from plants through animals. So why are we concerned about the controversies or controversial issues in cloning? Even though cloning is carefully regulated in research labs around the world, many issues still remain, particularly with cloning that involves cells from humans. For example, some aspects of cloning may involve human embryos, and many people are very concerned about that, even though such a procedure may benefit others in treatment of certain serious diseases or even accident victims. Others are also concerned that, for example, a very harmful bacterium could be cloned and used in biological warfare, and all these other matters. So whilst it is a very important process and it's routinely performed in laboratories around the globe, there is still the need to make sure that people don't go beyond bounds and do things that could be injurious to society.